Skoda Slavia, the second model based on the MQB A0 and platform developed exclusively for the Indian market, has also been produced in Pune, India since January 21, 2022. The new midsize saloon is built with up to 95% of all components and materials being sourced locally, which has a positive effect on the cost structure and allows Skoda to respond quickly and flexibly to the requirements and needs of its customers in India. In the medium term, the models manufactured in India will also be exported to other countries. In addition to cars, the manufacturer produced over 37,000 engines at its Indian plants last year. These are also installed in Volkswagen and Audi vehicles for the local market.